In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify vendor name. This process can be quite straightforward, but essential for managing your products accurately in your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to update your vendor's information due to a change in your supplier, or simply wish to correct a typo, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your product listings stay organized and up to date. First things first, head over to the Shopify website. You'll be greeted with the home page, where you can begin the process by clicking on the Login button. This is your gateway into your Shopify dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll need to enter your shop's address. This is essentially the unique name you chose for your store when you initially set it up on Shopify. It's important to get this right to ensure you're accessing the correct store. If you have multiple stores, make sure you're logging into the one that has the product whose vendor name needs changing. After entering your shop's address, you'll be prompted to continue with your email. Click on the Continue with Email button to move forward. Shopify values security, so this step ensures that the account access is authenticated and keeps your store safe from unauthorized access. You'll then reach the point of choosing an account. If you manage multiple email accounts or have several people accessing your Shopify store, make sure to select the correct email associated with your Shopify account. This is crucial for accessing the right store with the correct permissions. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate your way to the Shopify Administrator dashboard. Look for the My Store tab. This is your control room. Here is where you'll manage everything from orders to products to vendor information. From this dashboard, you'll want to click on the Products tab. This will take you to the section where all your store's products are listed. In the Products section, you'll have the freedom to select any product you wish to edit. Scroll through your product list or use the search feature to quickly find the product whose vendor name you're looking to change. This flexibility allows you to manage your inventory efficiently, ensuring every product is exactly how you want it to be. After selecting the product, you're now at the final and most crucial step, changing the vendor name. Locate the vendor field within your product's details page. It's here that you can update or correct the vendor's name. This could be changing it to a new supplier or correcting a previously entered typo. Whatever the reason, this field is where you make that change. Be sure to save your changes before moving on. This ensures that your adjustments are updated in your store immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a vendor name for a product in your Shopify store. It's important to regularly review and update vendor information to keep your product listings accurate and up to date. This not only helps with inventory management, but also ensures your customers have the right information, contributing to a trustworthy shopping experience. A few additional tips to keep in mind: always double check the new vendor name for typos before saving. It's easy to misspell a name and not notice until later. Also, if you find yourself changing vendor names often, consider creating a standardized format for how vendor names are listed in your store. Consistency can save you a lot of time and headache down the line. Remember, managing an online store on Shopify is an ongoing process. Keeping information like vendor names accurate and current is just one part of ensuring your store operates smoothly and remains appealing to your customers. Don't hesitate to revisit your product listings periodically to make any necessary adjustments. We've covered the essential steps to update a vendor name in your Shopify store today. It's a simple process when you follow these steps, but it's an important part of managing your online business efficiently. For more helpful tips and guides on making the most of your Shopify experience, stay tuned to our channel. Happy selling!